In this video, I will show how to group elements in Canva. You can group text and objects in Canva in your project. So guys, if you have different text, so guys, if you have text, picture, so guys, if you have text, picture or different object and you want to group them, so just select this. So select these all, and here you will see the option group. Just select it. Now you can increase or decrease size and you can make changes as a group. To ungroup, click on this element and click on ungroup, and you can make changes. Another way, select and press Ctrl G. This is a shortcut for grouping. To ungroup, Ctrl G again. Select it and ungroup. Thanks for watching.